frustrated. All I want, all I want, me and you, been so long, been so long.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time tuning in, I'm Kanitha. This channel is about how to take care of your natural hair, DIYs, especially for hair. Occasionally you will get travel vlogs, try on hauls, and so on. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe for more videos. In this video, I will be showing you how I get rid of extreme dry damaged ends of my son's hair and the hairstyle I gave him. To see the end result, stay tuned for the entire video and make sure that you subscribe, you share, you comment, and I would really appreciate that. So let's get to the video. These are the things that I will be using on for his hair. He has extreme damaged ends, as you will see. Because of that, when I cut his hair, it was so uneven that I had to try to do it in some sort of layers. Not only that he has extreme damage ends, but he has terrible dry scalp, which is something I am trying to treat, and it is doing really good because his hair was so dry and so damaged. To see how his hair now, I am so proud. So I will actually link all the products that I use in this video, and for his hair, especially the oil I'm using to treat his scalp. Oh my god, this made such a great difference in his hair and his scalp. I first spray his hair with some water, the heat protector spray, then this oil that will prevent the dryer from causing more dryness to his scalp. This oil has a lot of other moisturizing oils and herbs. The other oil with the white label is to treat his scalp. It is focused on treating dandruff. Also, as you can see, I avoid placing the dryer directly on his scalp because, again, I don't want any more excessive dryness on his scalp. So anything to avoid that. So I section his hair and then I use the blow dryer on a certain setting. So of course I use the two head with the comb and the regular one. I use the medium warm and then I use cool on high so the hair can stay straight before it gets curly before I was done. And as you can see, I was able to comb through his hair. I'm not sure if you guys saw, but I think it was a short or video that when I was doing his hair, how I couldn't comb through his hair at all because it was so knotted. As you see that I'm showing you the amount of hair that I need to cut. Okay, I know he's not gonna like that, but it's okay because I need to get rid of all that dry hair, that dead hair, because if I hold on to it, if you want to hold on to it, his hair will the slow process of growing his hair will be extremely slow. And this is why you should trim your hair and get rid of damaged ends regularly. I'm not saying every month or every 2 months, especially if you are someone who's really sensitive for your hair, for your length. So I would say maybe once a year or twice a year, just have a routine to snip off damaged end, because once your ends are damaged beyond repair, it's best you get rid of them because your hair will continue to split, which you will lose whatever length that you have grow and the mix of that. And also too, it's not only like getting rid of damaged ends, it's also keeping your hair moisturized using the right products for your hair. Have a nice diet. I'm not saying I have an excellent diet, but it's also has to come from within as well, because if you're not consuming things that will help your hair to grow, to flourish, also your skin, so it won't happen. But let's get back to his hair. I lie. One more thing. And if you're planning on locking your hair, I don't strongly feel like or recommend that you get rid of that if you have excessive damage ends, because you're gonna like your hair, and believe it or not, locks or actually dead hair that Anyway, but that's it. Let's get back to the hair. Right now I'm about to trim his hair. As you can see, I still had a problem coming through the hair because that those ends were like really damaged, and you will see that when I trim his hair because the hair was not even. Even before I trim his hair was not even. Because why? The hair was keep splitting and splitting and splitting. Now his hair is not even after I trim his hair, and that's fine. He's a boy and I'm gonna continue to do his hair. Check back with me next year. Give me like 6 months, you will see the difference that in his hair. And he also having an issue with his scalp, dry scalp, excessive dry scalp, also dandruff. So that's another thing I have on my hand. I think I will be posting a video when he just came, and now comparing to how you seen his scalp right now. It was really bad. I think he probably like the water that he probably was using, because my family was living in the capital and they had to move because of whatever that's going on in Haiti. So maybe the water over there in the countryside wasn't going with his skin, with his scalp. So it was really bad. So but it's doing really good. I'm so proud and so surprised how his hair is transforming really fast. So as you can see, the amount of hair that I cut, and I still went back and cut a little more.
All I want, me and you, been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, me and you, been so long. Been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Lose trust me.
I'm not looking at his hair. His hair is in reverse layers, because you see how the bottom is longer than each layer. It's just crazy. But he has so much hair. His hair is extremely thick.
Just me.
And if you're still watching, thank you. I'm just here to remind you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up just now. Just click on it. And if you haven't subscribed, this is your first time, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So now let's get to moisturizing his scalp and oiling his scalp, because this is a different type of oil that I'm using for his scalp to just treat the dandruff, just like I've mentioned in the previous clip. This is the dandruff oil, and everything will be linked in the description below, if just in case if you want to have access to all these products. Okay. comment, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. And this is it. Like I always say, have a joyful, peaceful, wonderful, and a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.